Okay, Lauren, thanks very much. Several restaurants and bars in Baltimore City have been accused of violations related to COVID-19 since the start of the pandemic.
Now, some of those businesses have to face the liquor board, which could result in fines or penalties. WMAR 2 News' Aaron McPherson joining us live from downtown Baltimore, right outside the Baltimore City Liquor License Board building. Aaron, how many businesses are scheduled for a hearing today?
Good morning, Ashley, Christian. Well, there were originally 5 businesses scheduled on the docket for that virtual hearing today, but one of them was taken off the list, the Manor. Now, when we checked their website and social media, the Manor listed that they decided to temporarily close down. Kisling's Tavern, Abbey Burger Bistro, O'Donnell's Pub and Grill, and Charo Negro Bar and Grill. Now, there are a handful of other businesses who have to go before the board later in the month. Restaurant El Salvador, Special Peas Bar and Lounge, Shipyard Pub, Angie Seafood, and Lust. Now, in the documents for both hearings, the violations are listed as illegal conduct and general welfare, stating officers were doing business checks and found these places were not in compliance with the governor's order at the time, saying customers were inside drinking when they were only supposed to be open for carry-out or pickup. Now, most of these violations are listed from back in March when everything was first shut down, so not any of those violations that we are seeing right now. But that hearing today is scheduled for 11 a.m. and we will be sure to keep you updated. Ashley, Christian.
Okay, Aaron, thanks very much. Now, as for the other nightclub, Euphoria, in Southeast Baltimore, that was shut down earlier this week, and you were out there yesterday morning. These other bars and restaurants, sounds like it's a different type of violation.
Yes, Christian, these are definitely different violations, specifically with the ones that the hearing is for today. It's talking about those violations from back in March when things were not supposed to be open, when people weren't supposed to be eating inside. When it comes to Euphoria, those violations were for lack of social distancing, lack of wearing masks. Now, there was a video going around on social media showing people, a large group of people gathering together outside on Euphoria's property. And so those violations are what we are seeing more now when it comes to social distancing and masks, not from what those governor's orders were a few months ago.